How to properly take care of a cockatiel. Social interaction. Cockatiels are social birds and require daily interaction and mental stimulation. Spend time talking, singing, and playing with your cockatiel to build trust and strengthen the bond. Allow supervised out-of-cage time for exercise and exploration in a safe, bird-proof area. Grooming and hygiene. Cockatiels need regular grooming, including nail trims and occasional wing feather trims, to prevent injury and discomfort. Provide a shallow dish of water for bathing or mist your cockatiel with a spray bottle to help maintain feather health. Veterinary care. Schedule a regular checkups with an avian veterinarian to monitor your cockatiel's health and address any concerns promptly. Vaccinations, as recommended by the vet, may be necessary to protect against common avian diseases. Be observant of any changes in behavior, appetite, or droppings, as these may indicate health issues that require veterinary attention.